I'm replacing the headlight on my daughter's G5. This will also work for the Colbalt, as they're very similar models. Also, I'll be putting my Amazon affiliate link down in the description for all the parts that I'll use. Alright, so we're going to start off by taking off the headlight. It's got a couple of 10mm bolts right here. Just two of those, just take those out, and then the headlight should just pop out from the side. So you'll want to reach the back corner, and then just apply some pressure backwards, and don't break anything, but wiggle it out, and it should just kind of de-seat from the car itself. Then you've got several attachments in your harness. So you've got like your headlight right here, which has a lock ring, so you want to twist that lock ring off, and then you'll get access to the headlight. Once you remove the plug, be careful not to pull any of the wires out of the plug unit itself. You'll get access to the headlight bulb. That just wiggles free, and there's your headlight bulb. I'll put parts list down in the description once again. This is your turn signal. So that's another bulb you might need to replace. Down here is your fog lamp. And then over back behind the other is the wiring harness clip-in. This is where it clips into the vehicle. So remove that from the headlight assembly itself. It like snaps into place, and then you can remove the headlight and the harness completely. A lot of the plastic clips you just have to kind of pull up and out. To remove it gently. You don't want to break anything. You don't have to remove everything if you're just swapping out a bulb, but I'm changing out the entire headlight, so I do need to remove everything. I couldn't reach down inside with my fingers, so I had to use pliers to grab the fog light and twist it out. And there's the harness free and the headlight free. When you're putting everything back together, keep in mind it only goes in one way. So there's three little tabs on the inside of the headlight, and then there's the matching tabs on the bulb. It's like in a Y configuration. So there's two at the top and one at the bottom. You want to line all those tabs up so that everything fits snugly. So just gently have it in place, and then you'll need to put your lock ring in place to secure the bulb and seal it from moisture. If you look, there's tabs on the inside, and those need to go underneath the metal tabs. Now you can go ahead and plug the harness back into the bulbs. If you did have to replace the turning signal, parking lights, whatever, those all just snap into place. Mine were still okay, so I didn't need to mess with those. But it's the same principle where there's a keyed system where you need to line up the holes and then twist it. So as you can see on the turning signal, it only goes in one way. So make sure it's lined up properly, and then you can go ahead and twist it clockwise to get it to seat. Same technique applies. It only has one edge that's like the beveled edge. You want to press down and then turn it clockwise to get it to seat. And then I did have to use my pliers to get in there because my hands wouldn't fit. And then once the harness is in place, you can go ahead and attach it to the car's electrical system, and then reinstall the headlight in reverse as you removed it. So just place the front side in first, and then gently push the back side into place, and then screw in your two 10mm bolts, and you're good to go. Some other videos over here. Once again, parts list in the description. If you have any other questions or comments, put below. Thanks.